Let's start off with Bajaj Finance first. While the Nifty has cracked about almost 0.5% or so and now stabilizing just roughly around the 19,700 levels, it's really not that bad a start. You're not seeing a big fall really. It's a muted start at best, even for the mid and the small cap indexes, which are right now just marginally soft. Bajaj Finance, 2.5% lower as we speak right now. What is SBI Cards then up to? That stock will just come up for you on your screens next. That is down quite a fair bit. 5.5% is the fall that you're seeing on SBI Cards. Delivery, I think the block deals happened, 2.6% lower. Poonawalla FinCorp is the other one, which should come up for you on your screens next. HDFC Bank, Shriram Finance, they are the other ones. Though the street believes that they're going to be least impacted within the housing finance segment because loans under priority sector is excluded, which will not include housing. Right now, the street may be only sentimentally reacting to that and painting the entire sector with the same brush. But I think sanity will prevail eventually. So HDFC Bank, Shriram Finance, the other housing finance companies are going to be out of that gamut. What is Poonawalla FinCorp up to? We didn't check in on that stock because it's quite a deep gash that you're seeing on SBI Cards for sure. Roughly about a 4% cut on Poonawalla FinCorp as well. Now let's check in on what the big banks are up to, the ones that actually led the fall yesterday. Axis, ICICI Bank, SBI will just come up for you on your screens. The weakness over there continues. In fact, quite a sharp fall for SBI. It's down over 2.5% as we speak. To the buzzing ones, what the mid-cap, or rather the IT pack is up to, considering they are the ones which are really sort of ruling the roost along with the auto pack. So Nifty IT has started off tempered, relatively better than what the rest of the market is up to. Delivery, I think that block deal has happened. The market was anticipating that SoftBank is going to be the seller and about a $150 million block is what we were anticipating. TVS Motors, after their foray into European markets, let's just check some of the newsmakers as well. JSW Steel, which has withdrawn the application for the final mine closure plan, which was submitted in early September. JSW Infra, after them getting the LOA for the Keni port in Karnataka. There's Brigade as well. They're looking to develop a land parcel with a value of about 2,100 crore rupees in Bangalore. So look out for some of these names. And MCX as well. That's been fairly buoyant of late. All the traders last night did talk about a gold move, which they believe was an aberration. MCX down about 0.5% as we speak right now. So nothing really big as such a move unless you guys are spotting something. Yeah, crude sensitive surely holding out. I can see a 2% bump up on Asian paints.
Yeah, the only other pocket is PSU banking space because that index is down a good 2%. So PNB, SBI, in fact SBI is down 2.5%. So that heavyweight does deserve mention. And of course Bank of India, Union Bank, these are some of the other names that are in the red, but not very surprising given the news flow. But time to take the first trades from our charters then. Kunal, what's the first trade that you would be punching in?
So that would be DLF. I think the real estate pack and the rally which we've seen for the stocks has been quite strong. DLF stands to be amongst the more prominent ones from the real estate pack. Would be keen to buying the stock.
Suresh, what are you spotting?
So that would be a buy on Dr. Reddy's. Looks promising at current levels. The risk reward is good. Expecting a move towards that 6,000 mark in the short term.